The Adventure Racing World Series, the toughest sport in the world. Prove yourself in the most grueling environments the planet has to offer. Multiple countries. They don't stop for weather, they do stop for each other. You can't finish alone. Immersed in the world's cultures, mountains, oceans, deserts, rivers, jungles, kayaking, climbing, trekking, mountain biking, navigation, plus a few others.
It is so much more than any sport there is.
A race that never stops, never sleeps. It will keep going, even if you can't. Rest day, this is your rest. Every race delivered live to a virtual stadium of hundreds of thousands of dot watchers. Why the Adventure Racing World Series? Isn't it obvious? Find out more at arworldseries.com. Join the adventure.